Updating your primary email on your PlayStation account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu or under Account Management. Step 3. Select Email Address. In Account Settings, look for the section labeled Email Address or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you will likely need to verify it. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from PlayStation and follow the instructions provided to complete the update. Once you have followed these steps, your primary email on PlayStation will be successfully updated. Regularly check your email settings to ensure your account remains secure.